Hi everyone. In this short video, we'll break down the basics of designing an action research study. So whether you're working on a classroom project, a student support innovation, or an equity initiative in a community college, a thoughtful research design is what transforms a great idea into meaningful, measurable action. Your research design is a blueprint for how you'll answer your question. It includes your setting, participants, methods for collecting data, and how you'll interpret what you find. In action research, the goal is to create a cycle of inquiry and improvement. So you want your design to be focused, practical, and grounded in your real context. So you will first start by revisiting your research questions by asking yourself, what outcome am I trying to understand or improve? Who is affected? What intervention or strategy am I testing? For example, if your question is, how does offering evening tutoring affect course persistence for first-generation students? Then your design should include that strategy, that group, and a way to measure change over time. Then think about the data you'll need. Action research often uses a mix of quantitative data, which is grades, attendance, and completion rates, or qualitative data, which might include surveys, interviews, open-ended responses, and reflective journals. And you need to choose the method or methods that are manageable and meaningful. For example, pre- and post surveys to measure changes in student confidence, or focus groups with students from underrepresented groups, or logs of how many students attend tutoring or advising appointments. Make sure your data speaks to equity. Disaggregate where possible by race, first-generation student or status, or Pell eligibility. Things like that to see where gaps exist or progress is being made. So action research happens in real classrooms and services. So you must consider, number one, consent. If collecting student responses, get permission. Anonymity. Use initials or codes when sharing findings. And feasibility. Choose methods that fit your time and resources. Also, protect your relationships. If you're collecting sensitive feedback, be transparent about how it will be used and who will see it. To sum it all up, a strong action research design links your question to your methods in a way that's focused, ethical, and equity-driven. Start with your learners. Choose the right data, and build a plan that works in your real context. That's the heart of action research, and it's how small changes lead to powerful impact. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.